Hey guys, hiking back down to the river where I hooked a lot of gar last time we were here. I didn't have the right hooks last time. This time I do. Back down to the river. Got my small treble hooks. We got some Kool-Aid chicken breast going out. Got me a chopped block for my seat. Got our net. Had no luck at this spot. Gonna move to a different spot on the river. There wasn't as much flow going through the river as last time, so there was really nothing over in this same spot. All right guys, we moved to upstream. Well guys, someone got stuck in the sand. I'm gonna go over here and see if I can help them. Oh boys, not the species expected. Well, this wasn't as expected. Look at the size of this thing. Dude, this is the weirdest turtle ever. It's got a crazy long neck. I got the hook out. This thing's crazy. He's gone. My buddy Mark just caught his first flathead. Check that out.